Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious pancakes. Welcome back to Recipes by Zoo. Firstly, add the flour, sugar, baking powder and salt to the bowl and mix together. Add the eggs and the vanilla extract and mix together. Stir thoroughly to ensure there are no lumps in the mixture. Now add 200 ml of the milk and mix together. Mix until smooth before adding the remaining 400 ml of milk. Mix thoroughly to get a nice smooth consistency. Finally, add the oil and mix together. On medium heat, add a little coconut oil to the pan and spread it around the surface of the pan. Pour the mixture into the pan. Add a little coconut oil to the sides of the pan as required to ensure the pancake cooks evenly. Within a minute, the pancake will be golden brown underneath, so you can now flip the pancake over and add a little oil to the sides and let it cook for a further 30 to 60 seconds until it's done. The full recipe of how to make these delicious pancakes is in the description box below. A helpful tip: if your pancake is getting stuck at the bottom, lift it up a little from the sides and add a little oil and it will loosen up. Take a look at a few more examples of the pancake being made. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Add a little honey or a slice of lemon for that extra flavour, or simply enjoy it with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.